Have you ever heard a land breathe? Out here, when the wind crosses the plains, the earth feels alive. This is Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, a place ruled by nature, not humans. Lions hunt, elephants roam. Every life moves by ancient instinct. Each year, millions of wildebeest and zebras begin a journey called the Great Migration, chasing rain, grass, and survival. Rivers become traps. Predators wait. Only the strong continue. Serengeti is not just a park. It is balance. It is life. And as long as this land still breathes, the story is far from over.